So we are back. Front bumper, side skirt is done. Now we got the wing back, right? I'll show you guys the wing in a little bit. I am so happy with how it turned out. I want to give a big shout out to Matt for helping me out with the wing, smoothing out the wing, painting the wing black for me. Well, the underside wing black for me. It was in pretty bad shape when I gave it to him. And yeah, I'll insert some clips here for you guys to see what he got up to. We need to wrap the wing and we also need to do the carbon side mirror cap. So that's the two things that we really need to do, and hopefully I'll have some time to actually lower the car. Won't have enough time to fix the wheel that got curbed, so we're going to a show with curbed wheels. That's my fault. Also, here's some clips of how the front bumper looks on the car, and yeah, it looked so good. It looks so aggressive with the one fin, my gosh. So we painted the whole underside black. It will match with the diffuser of the rear bumper, and also it saves me from wrapping these legs again, because wrapping these legs aren't the easiest job. And I only have to wrap until this line here. Legs, oh my gosh, they look so good. Far out. All this was my job, that's not him. Don't blame him for this, this is my job. He smoothed out the legs so well. Oh, it looks so clean. Look how smooth it is, far out. Gee. As always, I need to clean this, prep this for wrap, put the wing back on the car, and we'll wrap it on the car. I've missed the look of a wing on the car. It's been a month since I've had a wing on the car. It just looks so bare, it looks so weird, and yeah, I've got holes in my hatch and people have just been looking and just like, why? Let's get to it, let's finish this off. I didn't realize how long this wing is and how wide this wing is. I might have just enough, like just enough. This is how much knifeless tape I have left. we had a little delay. Yeah, I didn't upload last week because I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Because the car event that we were supposed to go to got delayed. It got postponed because on the day it was going to be like 46, 47 degrees Celsius, by the way. So that's, I don't know what's that in Fahrenheit, but yeah, it was going to be hot. I'm not complaining that they did postpone it. So that bought us some time to figure out what we actually can achieve within the time frame. So it got postponed to March 17th, I think. But yeah, so we got until then to kind of dial in the car so we can do things in a good time frame. I did not want to work on the car in that heat wave because it was like 40 to 45 degrees for one whole week straight. So we are continuing on with getting the car show ready, I guess show ready. So to recap what we've done, we've finished off the wrap for the front bumper, the side skirt, we've put on the carbon fiber side mirror cover, and also we've wrapped the wing. So the car is looking good, looking better. It's looking better, definitely better. So what we've got left for cosmetics, we've got these headlights. We need to finish off these headlights. We need to seal them back up, but yeah, we've got time to play with. So yeah, we're in a rush, but not really in a rush. We can install a few more things into the car, brand new parts, yes. Brand new parts for the Z. I said I was going to spend money on the Z because we got the Merc to finish, well, to actually start. But yeah, we've got a part that we can install. We're definitely going to install that before the show. Let's finish these headlights off because it's been a while since these headlights have been on the car. So yeah, let's do that. Let's finish these off and let's see. Let's go. Just seal these back up and then we should be good to go. Most likely do a restoration on the lens before these actually go in, just so they're nice and schmick and nice and nice. Looking nice, looking nice, looking the part. Even in this light, it looks kind of yellow, so we need to fix that up. Morimoto, apparently they stopped making and they discontinued new lenses for the 370z headlights. I was going to buy a set of new lenses to put either on these or on the next pair of headlights that I customize, but apparently they stopped making them. So what are you doing? Please, we need them. We need them. The headlights are finally back together. Oh my gosh. Taking them apart isn't the hard part. Putting it back together is the hard part. That's always been the thing with me. I love taking things apart and it's like so fun to take apart. It's easy to take apart, but putting stuff back together, I'm like, ugh. So the lights are all good to go, ready to go back onto the car. I just need to restore the lenses and then I'll chuck it back into the car. The car will finally be complete. It's probably the best it's ever looked. So yeah, I'm going to roll with it and I'm happy with how it turned out. It's been a while since the car has been looking pretty good, not gonna lie. Actually, it won't be its peak because the wheel, there's always something. And also, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below if you're excited to see the car at its full again. Apparently, I did have a restoration kit. I thought I'd use it all, but yeah, I've got one. I'm going to put these kind of in the light so I can show you guys the before and after. And then we'll go ahead and restore these and hopefully they turn out really good. they should be. I might actually just restore all the headlights on the cars in the garage. Just go on like a full headlight restoration spree. Just I might even do the neighbors ones and everyone on the street, but they turned out actually really well. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's finish these off and let's get these looking nice and looking the part, and so we can put these back onto the car and make the car full and whole again. So, okay, let's go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow, that is crazy. That is insane. You can see everything, which is good and bad. So that's one done. I need to do the other side. These look crazy. Oh my gosh. I smashed out the other side, so I'm gonna skip doing that again for you guys because it's just the same thing and I don't want to bore you guys. So I will see you guys when I put these back on the car. Oh, I'm so excited now. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Just took off the old headlights and now we get to put on these bad boys. Let's go. Oh, I've missed these so much. Wow. This actually just changes the whole look of the car. Oh my gosh. Just looks so much more aggressive. I know you can't really see it on camera right now, but let me tell you, far out. This is crazy. Okay, I do really need new lenses on my, yeah, these lenses are bad. Also, I said that Morimoto doesn't make the headlight lenses anymore, but a friend linked me someone that does, and they ship to Australia. I think they are in Australia. So that means I can change these lenses to new ones, and they're not that expensive as well. That's a big plus. I will do that in the near future. Yeah, I need to redo these headlights because I'm really not happy with them. It is what it is, and I'll run with it and I'll learn from this. Oh, I need to put the bulbs back in. I don't put bulbs back in. Car is finally together and done. Oh my gosh, it was like a month of work. Oh, put it into the car and it's all done. Are you guys ready to see the car? I'll show you guys in the garage, and then in the next video it'll be out, and so you can see the car when it's clean and it's outside. So yeah, okay, let's show you guys what it looks like now. Are you guys ready? If you guys are, click that like and subscribe button down below. So there you have it. That is the car done. Once again, I'm so happy I can finally drive the car, wash it and clean it, and she will be good as gold. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, click that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, take care, love ya, bye.